put some wire in some conduit. We've run them all nice and neat. Temporary earths at the moment. We're just checking the lights. We've got the lights plugged in. Where are they? Not up there. Them ones are by there, indicators, and the other indicators are by here for this side. So ignition on, indicate, and that one, indicate, that one's on, lights, and brake. Ah! Davey! These are the ECU wires that I've started to extend. Obviously I've got a lot more to go yet, but I've run out of wire because I haven't got the right size wire I need. I need this little thin one here. It's probably like half a mil wire. We haven't got that. I've ordered a load, so we're waiting for that to come through. Once this line here then has been extended back to the front, we just gotta turn the switch and hopefully it starts. And then it's pretty much the bulk of the wiring done. All I gotta do now is figure out the pop-up headlights. I got all the stuff. I just gotta try and make it work now. So that's our next thing. We are trying to sort out these pop-up headlights. Now, these are off a Toyota Celica, and all I want is the motors off them and all the mechanisms, so we can build our pop-up lights. Because I got the pop-up ones there. So this is the retractor relay, and I got a spare one just in case anything happens. Now I've got to try and find out where the leads go from the lights into the fuse box. I think they got a relay and then down to the headlights to switch them on. So I got to try and find all that work, and it's taking forever. Like I say, my electric skills are 0 to none, so I'm just trying to figure it all out. I'm more hands-on, so I've got to follow the wires back from the switch and follow it all, and then try and figure out how I'm going to put it together. I got a wiring diagram of how the Toyota Celica pop-up lights are all wired, and going to try and wire that in and see if anything happens. So that's all the wiring that we don't want, that we've chucked off the wiring loom, and it's just taking days and days and days to sort all this out. So bear with me guys, there will be a video coming out after this one as well. So it's taking me a lot longer than I knew it was going to take this long, because like I say, this is not my my stronger part of the things. So yeah, so we're just trying to figure out which wire goes where, and try and figure out the wire all together. So here we are. Right, just a quick update on I've been sat here now for like 2 hours trying to sort stuff out. So here we got our retractor relay, and everything's labelled up to what they are, to correspondence of the motors. It's got power, ground, up, down, so on. All we got to do now is find the, because this goes to control. Okay, these here have got to go to this. So I've got to now find that, which is going to be fun. Oh, that little quick update to where we are. I don't really want to be filming 2 hours of me looking back and forth at this graph, at that graph that took me like 2 weeks to fucking bloody find. So I'm just trying to figure out now all the rest of the way. So I didn't want to film me hours upon hours of me looking at the screen back and forth trying to find which is which. It's boring if you ask me, and this wiring is really intense for me. Other guys might be simple, but not for me. It's just give me a friggin' headache. So yeah, back to it. This might not work, but what I've done is I've wired it up how it's supposed to be, So they're there, lights, everything's plugged in that I think needs to be plugged in. So it's just a case now of connecting the battery up, hope nothing catches on fire, and the lights open and close when I turn the lights on and off. So here goes. A fuse go into it so we don't blow it up. It says it's got to have a 30 amp, but I thought I'd put a 15 on there just to make sure. And then what we're going to do is, this is for the headlight. I've traced it all back. This goes to the headlight, so I don't know if I switch it on and then so I'm going to push it in there and see if they close or open. So here we go. Fingers crossed, people. Nothing's on fire yet. Still nothing's on fire, which is good. So turn the lights on. Come on. I'm pretty sure this is headlights. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Well, nothing happened. Bollocks. I have to rethink this one, I think. I was just checking which one to put it in, and if I put it in this headlight one by here, it did close. It closed. This one closed that block. That one stayed open. That's strange. Alright. Let's try this again. It closed. Let's try this bottom one. Well, one closed, so that's a good thing. Something must be doing something right somewhere along the line. I have only got one of these on there, so maybe I need, if I take this one off here and then put it on the shorter one, and I do the same thing, see what happens. And it opens. And they shut. Open, open, off, and they closed. Yes, yes, come on! I done it! I done it! Ah! I am a fucking genius. Yes, now they work. Now I can build the proper lights, and I got it to work. Oh my god. Tidy. Right, thanks for that, guys, and we shall see you in the next video where we build our pop-up headlights. Thanks for everybody watching. Keep watching, it's some fun times. Thanks for the new subscribers, and love you all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Ciao for now. Just before I go, I will do in the next video a closer look at how it all works for anybody who wants to do pop-up lights and buy their own pop-up lights and sort it all out. So I will go through that in depth in the next video, because I know you guys might be interested in that. So I will make a pop-up light review, I suppose, of how they all, how to wire it all up, what to look for. So that'll be in the next one. So like I said before, see you next time.